Beware of your laptop or home computer. Computers or laptops are commonly utilized for both work and personal use. Whatever it is, it involves personal information or confidential information being stored or processed. Data protection laws require users and organizations to take reasonable measures to protect personal data. The same standard of safety should be applied for personal users as well. Here are some precautionary measures when using computers/laptops for storing or processing personal data and other confidential information. When using home computers for work purposes, do not allow other users to use your device. Parents should also prevent children from using it for recreational purposes. This helps to prevent the accidental leakage of data to unauthorized users or the introduction of malware. In addition, strong passwords should be used to protect your devices from random users. Make sure that computer firewalls are activated and updated to deter the latest threats. The same goes for antivirus software. Finally, documents, spreadsheets, presentations and PDF files should be password protected, especially if they contain personal data. Take note to ensure that images containing personal data should also be saved in password-protected documents or presentations. For more data protection resources, visit www.dpaxnetwork.org, the Data Protection Excellence Network, and sign up for free as a member to have full access to all content. Do also like and follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn if you found this useful.